Right now at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, buy one of anything in the store and get the second one at half price. And to celebrate this Memorial Day weekend, WestPoint Home is offering an additional 20% off everything in the store. Sound too good to be true? It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Memorial Day Weekend Sale, May 24th through June 2nd in Chipley, Florida. Memorial Day kicks off the summer, and this sale kicks off your opportunity to give your home a summer makeover without breaking the bank. WestPoint Home offers sheets, towels, comforters, pillows, and household accessories, all at huge discounts every day of the week, all year long. But during this Memorial Day blowout sale, the prices have got to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values for 10 full days, Thursday, May 24th through Sunday, June 2nd, with name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores. Brand names include Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters and bath towels, from memory foam pillows to flannel sheets to shower curtains, it's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Memorial Day Blowout Sale, Thursday, May 24th through Sunday, June 2nd. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the Memorial Day weekend savings begin.